Action.
All right, so today we are putting our SC Project exhaust on our CB300R.
Go ahead.
All right, so we are going to use a 12mm socket and an impact gun just to remove a few bolts over here. Which one do I do first? Wait, you have this bolt through it still.
Take it off, it's loose. Are you recording?
I don't know. Yeah.
That's yours.
All right, so we got it on. Now, it did come with this weird piece. We try to configure it in many different ways. I'm starting to think maybe it's like an adapter if you have a smaller tip here maybe. But I mean, we've seen some videos where people were putting it in between. It didn't look right. And then this band would sit in between. So, I mean, this was just the best way we could get it. We couldn't even stretch the springs with this piece on.
Yeah, and the baffle's sitting right in there looking this way towards the outside. And then this extra bracket is to hold this in place. As you can see, this
Oh, that makes sense.
This L-shaped one. So let's do a test and see how it sounds.